Hey everybody, John Farrell from WellDatabase here with another mapping tutorial to show you just how quick and easy to drop a shapefile in WellDatabase. So let's just hop in and do it. We see here I've opened up WellDatabase. I'm up in the Bakken area. I hop over here on the North Dakota site and we will see there's a reservation shapefile. This actually came up just the other day when we were evaluating one of the deals in the Bakken, and understanding where the reservations are and the rules associated to those is actually pretty critical. So let's download this file here. It's an easy one, just a zip file, which works perfect in WellDatabase because when we upload the shapefile, a shapefile consists of 3, 4, 5 files, depending on the shapefile. And in WellDatabase, we load them in as a zip, and that allows us to extract the files, get the projection files, the DBF, and the shapefile out of it. So if I now come into the WellDatabase tools, open up layers here, I can click on a shapefile layer. I can go and choose this. I'll pick the reservations layer, and then I'll say, call this ND reservations. And now I can choose my line color, and my fill color defaults to kind of a dark blue, and the fill color is a light blue. And then you can pick the fill opacity so that it can kind of be an outline with a shaded one. And you can also make this interactive, and I'll leave this interactive to show you what that looks like. But once I load this, you'll see it pops right in place. This is over near Standish Field. If I click on this, then it's going to tell me all the information, the Fort Berthold Reservation, all the information here about it. And I can also click here and create an AOI. So now in a matter of a few seconds, I now have a listing and search for all of the wells that are currently on this reservation, 4,236 wells. And it's just that easy. I can use this information then to kind of dive into the data in these wells, or I can use it to understand where acreage positions are. But loading a shapefile takes literally a few seconds, and then filtering and using it beyond that is just additional functionality that's baked right in. So anyway, if you have any questions or if you need more information on mapping in WellDatabase, let us know, and thanks for watching.